What is the value of the expression? Open parentheses 8 plus 4 divided by 2, and all of them to the power of 2 then divided by 4 times 2. If you rush past the square, you fail. And the first step to solve this question, many people go straight to the parenthesis and start with the expression 8 plus 4 that equals to 12. Then divided by 2 inside the parentheses, and all of them to the power of 2 divided by 4 then times 2. And the next step they go for the division between 12 and 2. And instead of this expression, they write 12 divided by 2 equals 6. All the square divided by 4 then multiply by 2. Then they say it's time for the exponent, and instead of this expression they write 6 times 6 equals 36. Divided by 4 then multiply by 2. And the final step they go for the division between 36 and 4, and simplify this expression to 9. Then times 2. 9 times 2, which finally gives them the answer 18. But it's not the correct answer to this question. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. In this expression, according to PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parentheses. As you can see inside the parentheses, we have an addition sign followed by a division sign. We must start with the division because division comes before addition. So instead of this expression, we can write 8 plus 4 divided by 2 equals 2 inside the parentheses. All squared then divided by 4 times 2. And the next step, we need to simplify the expression inside the parentheses even more. 8 plus 2 equals 10 to the power of 2. Divided by 4 then times 2. Now we have exponent, division, and multiplication. It's time for the exponent because after parentheses, exponent has the higher priority than all other operations. 10 times 10 equals 100 then divided by 4 times 2. Now we have division and multiplication. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. And we work from left to right. So we start with the division between 100 and 4. And simplify this expression as we write 100 inside the division and 4 outside the division. First we take 2 digits and then 4 times 2 equals 8. While subtraction, bring down 0 as it is. And then 10 minus 8 equals 2. Finally, 4 times 5 equals 20 and then remainder is 0. So quotient is 25 then times 2. Finally, 25 times 2 equals 50. And this is the final answer of this question. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.